What is up, gang? Just got to a spot I just fished a couple weeks ago, man. Lots of beds over here. It's nice outside. It's about 80 degrees. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Finally got away from the house today, and yeah, man, we're gonna try to get out here and hit it real quick. It looks like it just started sprinkling a little bit. I don't think it's gonna hold though, but yeah, man. Why don't y'all check out that new intro while I switch it over to the GoPro?
Sipping on my lean and I'm
Rain just came out of nowhere. There was no forecasted rain in any of the forecasts. I don't know what the heck this is all about. But we're gonna make the best of it. Contemplating if I should even bring my big camera. Probably not gonna bring it. I'm gonna bring my phone. I'll just shoot from there. Yeah, let's go. Hopefully it doesn't hold out. Got a new camera rig though for some good underwater eats. Look at that. Yeah, baby. This is gonna work perfect for these beds. Get down here. Hopefully the water clarity is still good. Get around here, around this corner. See what it's looking like. Yeah, water clarity looks like it's still kind of good. Oh yeah, it's still really clear down there. Still really clear. There's somebody already down here throwing on them, so hopefully they haven't pressured the heck out of them and they'll be interested in biting. We'll see. Do you have any luck? No? Oh, you're gonna let the rain run you off?
We gotta go head back to the
Cool, man. Yeah. Cool, man. Thank you. I just got here, man. Actually, just walked up. How about y'all? Where'd you catch them at? Yeah. Snapped both of your lines?
I had like a 5-pounder, and I set the hook immediately snapped.
Jeez, man, that's never any good. Nah, I don't think that would just scare the fish off, man. Me? Man, I fish everywhere, man. Anywhere there's opportunity. Yes, I do. What's my what? That bass fishing dude? Just check it out, man. I'm on Instagram as well. Super bad. Starting to think it may not have been a good day to come up this way, but we're gonna give it a try anyway. There's a little bit of wood down in here. I really wish that my camera would float over here. It's being all ridiculous because I can't judge how much line I need. There we go. Got one. There we go. Drop shot made it work. There we go. Decent one. It's not horrible. Calm down. Look at that. Drop shot right in there. Drag and drop, baby. Googanbaits. Yeah, that's a decent one right there. Look at that. Nice fish. All right, quick update, man. We've been out here for about 20 minutes now. Throwing everything, man. I've thrown a jig. Wasn't really getting it done. There's a couple beds over here. Down here in this corner, right here at the end of this embankment where there's a drain down here. And it's hard, man. It was raining. I think that rain got them stirred up. But yeah, man. Drag and drop. Googanbaits, baby, is what got this one done right here. It's a little small guy, not too big, but it's got a fat belly on her, man. Looks like she's gonna be spawning here pretty soon, and that's great. So that's exactly what we want. So yeah, let's go ahead and get her back in the water. And yeah, like I said, man, drop shot got this one done. It's a little pocket right down here with some wood in it, which is right down here. It's like maybe 4 feet deep, and it's kind of dark down there. And when the sun is out really bright, you can really see the wood that's sitting down there in that. And yeah, they're hanging out on that. It's a big one that's kind of just circling through here. And that's the one I really want to eat. I really want her to eat something. So yeah, let's get this guy back in the water, and we're gonna keep at it. Well, peeps, I'm gonna let the rain run us off because it's lightning like crazy and it's a storm coming in, and I don't want to get caught in it. I don't care about getting wet, but I don't want to die today because I ain't about that life. We got one up here, and yeah, man, it's a decent fish. So ended up catching her on the drop shot. That's really all I could get her to eat with. There's still a couple sitting down in that hole, and they're just not eating. So I mean, I think the rain really kind of killed it for us today, but it is what it is, man. We tried. We didn't get skunked, so that's a good thing. But yeah, we're gonna come back another day, man. We're just gonna do it again. So yeah, we're gonna get up out of here, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video like it is, and I'm gonna get back to the truck because it already started raining. And I think that torrential downpour is about to come, and I don't want to get super drenched. So yeah, we're gonna try to rush up out of here. But yeah, man, thanks for coming and hollering at your boy. But yeah, let's do it again. That bastard's dude out. Peace.